Hello everyone, and you meet me here at West Croydon bus station because we're doing episode 4 of rail replacement. Now, if you haven't already guessed, if you haven't already guessed, we are going to be doing the Windrush overground line from West Croydon all the way to Highbury and Islington. For our first bus, we are not going to be catching any buses here outside of the bus station. No, we're just going to walk down the road to Delta Point, where our first bus will be the 468. By the way, I've got a new microphone, as you can just see here, so the sound quality should be much better. But yeah, you can let me know in the comments if you think the sound quality is better. Brand new V12 is there, right next to it is very old 59 plated SL7, which we're actually getting withdrawn for BD11s. Some BD11s have entered service now. We'll have to run because our bus is soon. There is Delta Point, and there's our 468. We need to hurry. 468 to Elephant and Castle. Morning. So glad we made this bus, but another iBus mess up. Catching this 468 all the way to Elephant and Castle, which is a whole route. I think it's about an hour long. So yeah, a long journey ahead of us. Lovely new Enviro 400 EV on the 196.
468 to Elephant and Castle.
322 stops here. It's got those lovely new Enviro 100 EVs. Did a video on that. After this video, I recommend you go watch that. Very, very nice on the 322. There's Brockenwell Park near Hine Hill Station. Yeah, no, 322. Lovely route, lovely buses. Been on this bus for quite a while. The stop, which is already at an hour and 10 minutes, but I'm actually really enjoying my journey on here. It's really nice, these refurbished Gemini 3s. Like, I could be on this bus for ages. These Gemini 3s are really nice, but yeah, the stopwatch has just hit an hour and 10 minutes. I think this journey will, my guess, probably take 2.5 hours. Put your guesses in the comments. But yeah, this journey has been really nice. And I just saw a training bus, which was very cool. It was an E400 Trident, I think it was LK08 plate, or maybe SN08. I don't know, one of them, but it was an 08 plate. Big downside about this bus is the iBus screen. It's a bit annoying. It's a new iBus screen. What can I say about it? The time has been stuck at 11:58 for quite a while now. I was looking at it. It's currently 12:19, and it's been stuck at 11:58 since 11:58. I think it's more common on the 148 because I see a lot of Route Masters, Boris buses, but I also see some E400 City EVs. Double allocation, so you've got Boris buses, which are diesel. I guess some are hybrid, and you've also got the E400 City EVs, which are electric. So you've got diesel and electric as a double allocation. Probably the funniest double allocation I've ever seen. Most double allocations actually make sense. Like, they're both diesel buses. Like there's one, I forgot what it's called, but it goes to Putney. I can't remember what the bus route is, but it goes. It uses E200s and street lights. So yeah. That one's just very strange on the 148, where it's diesel and is that 148? Yeah, that was 148. So it's diesel Boris buses, electric E400 City EVs. Driver, here we are, Elephant and Castle. So now we're at Elephant and Castle, but our next bus isn't actually here. We need to walk to another stop that's about 3 minutes away for the 63 bus. We're having a bit of an issue finding the bus stop. It's nowhere to be found. 68, we missed it. No! We're gonna have to wait 20 million years now for another 68. No, 63 I mean. TfL1, Baker Loop. I don't know why it goes to Waterloo. I think it should just go to Elephant and Castle, which just makes more sense. I don't think you can see very well, but because it's flashing. The 63 to King's Cross is in 7 minutes. Perfect. Oh, there we are. Now that I zoom in all the way, it works. Kind of isn't bus stop N. Please get out of the way. Thank you. Yeah, it's kind of BT for Rodney Place. We couldn't really find bus stop N, but the 63 stopped here, as you can see, so it was the next best thing. Two buses, you got the one here, then the 53, and what's behind it? The 415, what's behind that? Oh gosh, this is crazy! The 188, and then what's behind that? The 453. Why are there so many buses? There's just a whole line of buses. Lovely. 188 got brand new BD11s. Lovely. I love the BD11s. They look a bit questionable, but they are so lovely to ride on. Yeah, so 8 to 15 minutes. So that's why I was thinking it's 15 minutes away. But it was just 9 minutes away. But yeah, 30 minutes. We take a whole half an hour to get to King's Cross. Crazy. It's really loud, but because the beeping. This truck, lorry, we're in Britain, it's called a lorry. It's stuck. It can't get past the 415 because of the mirrors. Now the police car can't get to ambulance. Stuck. I think the 415 might be stuck as well. That's not very good. Yeah, it's gone on the pavement now. No, not pavement, but the barrier bit in between. That's crazy. Oh, the bus was mirrorless as well, so it's not the mirrors that couldn't let it get through. But yes, we are just waiting for our next bus, which is the 63, and here comes the lovely BL1 on the Baker Loop. Super Loop and Baker New Line mixed together is the Baker Loop. Oh, I see our 63. I don't know if you can see it. There is it, just there. Afternoon.
63 to King's Cross Station.
Blackfriars Station for Thames, I think, which goes over the Thames. Very nice. I will admit, Blackfriars Station is probably one of my favourites look-wise, because it's basically just a big bridge like that goes over the Thames. Yeah, and then you've got that bit there. I just think it looks really nice. Blackfriars Station, probably one of my favourite station designs. Remembers when this bus route was so hyped because it was like the most futuristic bus in London. Everyone wanted to ride it. I remember that, and I remember riding it myself, thinking it was like the best bus I've ever ridden on. Seeing adverts everywhere for it. So nice. Yeah, you got phone holder things there, which if you fold them down. Oh, let me zoom out a bit. If you fold those down, then you can put your phone there. You got the stop bells, which were on the seat, and that was a new thing. And then also the USB chargers, which were on the seat, which was a new thing. Another new thing was like the leather high back seating. Very nice. And the new iBus, that was another one as well. Over 63 to King's Cross, so we've got off here because the next bus is the number 4. I can't believe we made this bus. We literally ran for this number 4 over here because we got off the 63. So I know we were going to catch the 63 to King's Cross, but we realised that it's actually quicker this way if we walk to, where was it?
St Mary's Church.
I can't remember. But we had to walk to the stop, and we could catch number 4 straight to where we need to go to. And I was like, okay, that's so good that it's going to make us go so quickly. So we're on this lovely Electroliner right now, Vision Zero Electroliner. I love these buses. Anyway, yeah, so I can't believe we made this. We were actually meant to miss this bus, catch the next one, which is in 20 minutes. And I was not going to wait 20 minutes for a bus. I really didn't want to. So we just ran for the bus. And I'm so glad we made this bus. So we should be getting to Highbury very 30 over here. We're going to be what we would have caught from, where was it? Cross. We would have caught 30 from King's Cross to Highbury. But we did think that this way was quicker, because it is quicker. I'm really glad lighting's rubbish. So I'm really glad we made this bus.
4 to Archway.
Thank you, driver. It just hit my microphone on the floor. But now we are here at Highbury Corner, I'm just gonna walk 3 minutes to Highbury Islington Station. You see Highbury Islington Station over there? We're so close. We are now here at Highbury Islington Station, which is the end of our journey. I can't believe we've actually made it. This journey took a whopping 2 hours and 28 minutes. So yeah, that was quite a while, but I'm so glad that we finally made it. I really enjoyed today. I love riding the 468, and it's such quite a nice station. But this is the end of today's challenge, and I think I'll see you for episode 5 next week. Bye.